Here you can see the chapter number 2, Indian economy, 1950 to 1990 or 1947 to 1990. These are some notes. Here you can refer what we have talked till now. Economy, economic system, types of economy, market, laissez-faire economy, socialistic mixed economy, common goals of 5 years plan. These are some notes which are discussed in brief. Just go through that. Agriculture features and problems and politics. These are the notes. Okay, you just go through that. Along with that, we will discuss some more topic about this. Okay, so I'll take to you on the next PDF. Here you can see these are the notes from another book, Indian economy, the same chapter. Just go through that. Here also the same thing are talking plan, what is plan, goals of 5 years plans, and everything is given in the same. The notes are also there. The one major thing, some major points are there that we are going to talk in this PDF. So here you can see the green revolution from 1960 onwards. Green revolution was started in order to increase the production. Okay, first it was implemented on 5 different crops, and later on it is known as for only better results are getting from the 2 different crops. Okay, so and the wheat was the main product in that, so we are also known as wheat revolution. The green revolution is the same way. Here we are getting so much benefit from the green revolution. Okay, so just go through that. This topic is very much important, and later on we will talk about economic reforms of 1991. This is also a part of this chapter only. Economic reforms is basically was in 1991. Already we have discussed in class 11, that is policy of LPG. LPG, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization. Liberalization was that the government is going to give some kind of rebate in rules of import and export, where you can import goods and export goods. The duty tariffs were removed, and also that some tariffs are already liberalized. Okay, and this privatization basically known as the conversion of government companies into private companies, so that the companies can be converted into profitable institutions. And the last one was this globalization. We already know that the goods, now the persons are able to trade beyond the boundary of a nation. It's called globalization. So already we have discussed that. So now we are going to discuss in next PDF. We are going to discuss about the homework questions and all this. Just go through that.